Here we are at the Metropolitan Library at our final GeoAg workshop for this phase 2. Over here, we have a variety of plants that we talked about today, including the growing these tulips and other bulbs. We were able to taste this very, very tasty basil, and we looked at string beans and this array of string beans right here. But now that the program is over and coming to an end, our guests can now take home bags of string beans to have for the holiday season. So now we're going to get a little feedback from some of our guests today. Tell us who you are and kind of what you thought of our geological agriculture class.
My name is Juliana, and I'm a resident of Fulton County, City of Atlanta. And the concept is very new to me, so I was surprised by it. And I think this has a lot of potential to be very resource efficient.
Okay. And this, I believe, is your second time around?
This is my second time around, and I enjoyed it thoroughly. I'm interested because of my diet, and I'm interested in organic foods. I want to get away from all the chemicals, but I thoroughly enjoyed this class. It was so organized and hands-on, and I'm interested in doing an outside garden.
And you said you wanted food with no chemicals.
That's right.
And did you, no chemicals in these foods? You didn't see any chemicals going anywhere?
No, I did not.
No chemicals, no chemicals. And we have a special grandmother, granddaughter, daughter team with our granddaughter spokeswoman. So tell us, what did you think about the class that Grandma brought you to today?
Okay, so the class was very interesting because y'all showed me how to grow plants without soil, and that's interesting because everybody usually uses plants with soil.
That's right, how to grow plants with soil. So thank you all for coming out to the Metropolitan Library GeoAg workshop. We have our Vice President from Washington all the way down, Miss Yola. Now let's all say goodbye.